Okay, you guys, so hopping right into making these firecrackers. I have some Ritz crackers and some saltines. I also have some plastic bags, and the rest of the stuff I will go through as I am making it. So I'm starting off with a full cup of olive oil. That was a half a cup, so I'm going to refill it and add another half a cup of olive oil. My mom always made these crackers, so she taught me how to make them, and here I am because they are absolutely delicious. And I am just using a spatula because I want to make sure that I get all of my olive oil out of there. Now, I have seen people use vegetable oils by all means, but I would definitely just go with olive oil. So then I'm going to add a half a cup of ranch seasoning mix. Now, you can use the ranch seasoning that comes in a pack. I would just recommend you grab a few packs of those, especially if you want them more ranchy. But if you want them less ranchy and more spicy, add less ranch. And then you're going to add 3 teaspoons, which equals a tablespoon, of course, of red pepper flakes. That just gives it a little spice. And 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You can cut back on the garlic powder. I absolutely love the flavor of garlic, so I added more. And then you're just going to mix and stir it and mix it until it's all well incorporated together. You see me chopping because my ranch seasoning was in the refrigerator for some reason and it clumped up and got stuck together. Now, these other seasonings are optional. We do want our crackers a little bit spicy, so I did add in some cayenne pepper, and which was 2 teaspoons. So it just looked it really fast because I sped the video up, and you just mix it all together. Okay, so now this is where your bags come in. Now I have some freezer bags, some Ziploc bags, in other words, and I'm going to add 2 packs of crackers to each bag. And I have seen people use a bowl and just dump all of their crackers into a bowl that has a cover and do it that way. Yes, you can, but I don't want to risk breaking my crackers. I want them all to stay together. So I am starting off with the saltine crackers. Of course, these are lightly salted. I'm going to get all of my crackers from Sam's Club in big bundles so that because they last me longer than a month. They literally last me, the saltines last me months, plural. And the Ritz last me about 2 months because my daughter does take them to school as a snack. Okay, and so then you're just going to go ahead and just pour some in there. And I like to squeeze majority of the air out, but leave some for the shaking portion. And just shake and kind of gently massage it around so that you can get the sauce over all of the crackers. Okay, you guys, if you are still here watching, please go ahead and subscribe to this video, turn on your post notifications, and also give this video a thumbs up. Press the like button. And if you know somebody that would absolutely love these crackers, although they've been around for a while, go ahead and share me out. Share this video. Okay, so I did a mixture of the 2 of these. I had a half a pack of saltines that I didn't want to go to waste. So I added that half a pack to the bag first, and then I added the Ritz crackers. So again, the same thing. I just moved the crackers out a bit. My spoon has the sauce on it. So yes, I did go ahead and rub my spoon in the bag first. And then I just pour the mixture on top. And you're just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Gently massage and shake it up, rub it all around, just to make sure that some gets on all of the crackers. So you can eat these right away. You don't have to wait. You don't have to bake them. You can bake them and make them a bit crispier. But you guys, I tried them like this and they were definitely crunchy and absolutely good. They still taste like crackers, but with flavor. But I did sit mine in the refrigerator while I made this tuna fish. And I just used some packs of tunas. Was there as a short on my page. And I didn't have everything for the tuna. Like I didn't apply eggs. I didn't put no relish and everything that I normally would put in there. But these crackers just set it off. So yes, we are using styrofoam plates. Okay, yes, we use those a lot in this house. Paper, plastic, styrofoam, doesn't matter. anything where the dishes are not constantly piling up. So I'm just trying to make this look cute on this plate, but it was absolutely delicious. Of course, you can eat these alone. You can eat them with a dip. You can eat them with your soups, with your noodles, but they are absolutely delicious. You can add more red pepper flakes if you want to, more cayenne pepper to make them more spicy, and maybe use some other packs. But this is how they're looking in the bag. And you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.